can you tell me why you're excited to get the vaccine soon with your vaccination program?
Yeah, so I believe it's obviously part of a national incentive for herd immunity. I think that everyone has to play a part to try and get out of lockdown or some sort of lockdown, as it were. We need to get back to some sort of normality, and that's why I'm excited. We need to get on with it and get back to daily routine.
Yeah, exactly. What do you say to people that the vaccine shouldn't take?
So a lot of people are obviously talking in social media about it having a chip or altering your DNA. Well, that's obviously not true. I mean, people are watching too many sci-fi movies. In terms of the actual jab itself, I was looking at the flu jab, and there's actually more people who have adverse reactions than the COVID jab at the moment. So I think that's obviously something that people need to be aware of. And those reactions will always take place because a vaccine is never 100% safe. So that is obviously my point to them.
Do you think that Europe banning the Oxford vaccine is being overly cautious?
Possibly, although if it does cause blood clots, then obviously that's an issue that they need to look at. But again, we're looking at the thousands compared to the millions who have taken it. So again, yeah, maybe, but not as adversely as they've done it. Yeah.
My name's Amanda Emin, and I'm 35 years old. 35 years old.
So, what were you happy to get the vaccine today?
Yeah, today I was. A few months ago, I was actually really apprehensive about it. I was discussing with my boyfriend how I wasn't going to get it done. No one would force me. I wouldn't even go on holiday, just because I wasn't completely sure what would happen. Just because the test was rolled out so soon, I didn't know if in 5 to 10 years' time what the repercussions could be, what if I grew an extra limb or whatnot. But over the last few weeks, more and more of my friends and my friends' parents have been getting it done, and I was just thinking, why not? I mean, the chance of anything happening, like getting hit by a bus or getting robbed in the street, is the same kind of probability. So, yeah.
Did you see the reports about the Oxford vaccine? Were you concerned?
Yes, so I was again. I came here not apprehensive about which one I was going to get, because I know you can't choose, but I was hoping maybe they'd have the Pfizer one. But when they said it was the Oxford one, I was just like, you know what? The amount of people that have had it, the amount of people that have died from it, again, it's that balance. So I'll take my chances, and the people that have died from it sadly have had underlying conditions. So yeah.
Yeah. Do you think it's the EU being overly cautious?
So I suffer from fibromyalgia, which is chronic neurological illness which attacks the central nervous system. And so when my flare-ups get bad, I'm bedridden for weeks. My mum is also very high risk as well, and I care for her. So it is a precaution for not only myself but my mum as well.